In this video, I will show you how you can change the home screen layout of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Home Screen. Under the Home Screen settings, just tap on Home Screen Layout. As you can see, currently our home screen layout is this one, which says Home Screen and App Screen, meaning that we can set a few apps on the home screen, but all the apps are available on the app drawer. But if you want to disable the app drawer and if you want to change the home screen layout, just go back to Settings. Under the Home Screen section, just tap on Home Screen Layout and select Home Screen Only, and just tap on Apply. And after you do that, you will change the home screen layout. As you can see, if I swipe up, the app drawer has been disabled and all the apps are available on the home screen. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.